Hi, Heath Martin here, CEO of Cancana Extraction and Butler Hemp Co. We are a industrial hemp extraction facility located in Wichita, Kansas, and I want to give you a little background on how we started, where we came from, and how we came to be. In 2019, industrial hemp became a legal crop to grow here in Kansas. After the passing of the 2018 Farm Bill, and at that point, I was heavily invested in agriculture and sales in my previous career. But we saw a need. We saw a need for the Kansas farmer and the Kansas business owner to be able to grow this crop that had previously been prohibited for roughly 100 years. My biggest motivation for this was just being out there in the country and being out across Kansas and knowing that there was a new and exciting crop that people wanted to grow and take advantage of, but frankly they had no place to take it. That was in 2019. The idea was born to build a state-of-the-art 9,000 square foot supercritical CO2 extraction facility. And from that point on, my business partner and I, and also all of our employees here, have worked tirelessly to bring that to fruition. So as we began this journey, it was quite interesting. We didn't know much about hemp extraction at the time, but we've certainly learned a lot since then. So that first 6 months was just literally spent gathering information, quoting out the tools we were going to need, purchasing equipment, the appropriate real estate, getting all of our licenses and certifications in line so that we could not only bring this business to this state and this city, but also we wanted to do it right and at the best of our abilities. So, we saw that need and we knew that this was going to be an up and coming industry. Not only industrial hemp and CBD, which is primarily what we do now, but also obviously as the years go by, cannabis is becoming a more and more mainstream crop, business model, and obviously a huge demand across the United States. So 2019 was our birth year, and you guys have all probably heard about a little something called COVID. That happened 5 months after we had opened up. And one of the interesting things for our current business model, COVID really didn't seem to affect us that much. We took safety protocols very seriously. We wanted to protect our employees. The problem that we had is as we were extracting and manufacturing very high quality CBD distillates and isolates, we were deemed essential because we were agricultural processing. The businesses or the places that we were shipping these products to were not. Most of them were bottling facilities. Most of them were on the east and or west coast, and they got shut down. Which, scary thing in the beginning. Yet that led to a much greater ability for us to diversify. So we decided then that if we weren't going to be able to ship our wholesale products out, we needed to be able to make retail products in-house. And we needed to be able to make those retail products at scale. So two things happened there. One, we started Butler Hemp Co. Unbelievably high quality CBD at an affordable price that makes it accessible to everybody. And the other thing that we did was we started white labeling and doing product manufacturing for, at this point, roughly 20 companies across the United States. We've got CBD companies that we produce product for from Florida to Colorado, Chicago, Illinois, pretty much all over the map. And that's been a great business model for us. And it's allowed us to take the quality of the goods that we manufacture and get them out into the hands of the masses across the United States. So the white label program that we have here is amazing. And since we are completely vertically integrated, everything from controlling the grow, managing the extraction, doing the extraction ourselves, and then formulating, labeling, packaging, and bottling right here in our own facility, we can make that very affordable for our white label clients and partners out there. As of now, I feel like we've really settled into our own. Like I said, we're shipping products all across the United States. We've processed hemp from almost 30 states across the US, and we're really hitting a stride. This has been a very, very fun and rewarding journey, but not without its challenges and not without its setbacks, certainly. But That's what makes it so interesting. As we sit here today, the beginning of 2023, medical marijuana legislation is at the State House right now in Topeka. In our state, we hope to see the passage of a medical marijuana bill in the coming months, and that also will allow us to open up new doors in what we can do as a company, and also what we can do as an organization to supply not only high grade, exceptional quality CBD to people, but also high grade, very high quality medical marijuana products to people as well. So stick around with us for the journey. One of the things that was tough for me when I started this company was there wasn't a lot of online resources and things to reference when we were talking about chosen extraction models or how-tos on extraction. And we're going to give you guys a behind-the-scenes look at how we do things, why we do things the way we do them. And you're going to get to see the machines in action. You're going to get to see a multitude of our awesome employees back there doing what they do. And we hope to interact with you guys and let you share in the comments and ask questions and help do our part to bring transparency and knowledge to this industry. Thank you.